Hey beautiful souls, this video is going to help you develop a clear understanding of the usage of the informal contraction ain't. When I previously made a video on informal contraction, I deliberately excluded ain't from the video because back then I knew that ain't required special attention. So here goes a video exclusively dedicated to the usage of ain't. Ain't is a contraction of is not, are not, am not, has not, and have not. Now let's take a look at a few examples. I ain't tired means I am not tired. He ain't tired, which means he is not tired. They ain't tired means they are not tired. I ain't watched Harry Potter means I haven't or I have not watched Harry Potter. She ain't watched Harry Potter means she has not or she hasn't watched Harry Potter. Now, I'm going to give you a bonus lesson. But before that, let me tell you that if you want to take your English speaking skills to the next level, what you could do right now is click on the link in the description. Join English House, because trust me, this could be that one step towards transforming the way you speak English. Now, coming back to the bonus lesson, take a look at this statement. I ain't got nothing. Well, this is something that you see in almost every Hollywood movie out there. What does it mean? Let's break it down. Ain't here in this sentence is the contraction of have not or haven't, which makes this sentence I haven't got nothing. What does it mean? Does it mean that I've got something? No. In mathematics, negative of negative becomes positive, but same is not the case in English language. Here, the extra negative is used to emphasize the already existing negation. So this sentence actually means I haven't got anything or I have got nothing. There's a technical term for it. It's called negative concord or double negative. I hope you understood the usage of ain't in this video. I'll see you guys again. Till then, bye-bye, take care and have some real fun learning English.
English House, English at your fingertips.